Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate canvas in Adobe Animate. So yeah, let's get straight into it. It's pretty simple method, so let's do it quickly. So what we are going to do is let's click here on our workspace like that. Now hold down the Shift and space bar. You will see this different, it changes the mouse in this different style. And what we are going to do is just with left click on our mouse, we can now rotate our canvas, as you can see. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can rotate it. Also, you can do that by here on the left side, if you find hand tool or press H. And now what we can do is just drag this to everywhere we want. And yeah, this is basically it. If you right click on this hand, you also have Shift and H is rotation tool, so that you can rotate it really easily. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next